They appealed for 2 weeks, but we told them that 2 weeks is too long. So the Honorable Minister told us that, okay, from his estimation, that the President will come this weekend and that they will have engagement next week, and that by the upper week maximum, there should be pronouncement. But we said no, that 2 weeks is too much, that when when the President comes in by weekend, that by next week, that there should be categorical statement, that we will not wait till 2 weeks, for another 2 weeks again. So he now also said that there are two issues, that there are some issues the President can make categorical statements, but that there are some issues that may need to go to the Federal Executive Council, and that they may likely distill the issues. But for us, our position was that by next week, when the President comes back, there should be categorical pronouncement. That doing the calculation on what to put in for wage awards, knowing the number of buses, for example, to give to federal workers, it shouldn't be something that should take forever. It is not a rocket science. So we demanded from them sternly that on these issues, there should be pronouncement. We further also stated that on the 1st of August or thereabout, that the President addressed the nation, where he stated the amount of money that will be set aside for MSMEs. Till today, we don't know if that money has been set aside. Till today, there is no follow-up action on it. That it shouldn't just be pronouncement alone. The President said that they are bringing 3,000 buses. That was 6 weeks ago. But as of today, what is the status? Where are we? Are the buses in the high sea coming? How many of those buses has been purchased locally? When will those buses that are purchased abroad, when will they get to the port? When will they be deployed to the people? So these are some of the pertinent questions that we have asked. And we told them that time is of essence, and by next week we want to see action. We are tired of meetings. We are tired of making some motions without real movement. All Nigerians are interested in results. And if you remember, after our last NEC meeting, we also said that we will not leave it at the federal government stand alone, that we are also going to take it to the states. As of today, we are collating reports across all the states, even the little palliatives that has been released. How has it been expended? We are collecting that result, and we are going to address you in the coming days on these subjects, state by state, region by region, what has been done. So there was never an agreement that we should jointly do something, because we are men of honor. Whenever we agree that this is the direction we go, we do it to the best of our ability. So if you say there is a crack, well, you can interpret it, but for us and left for us, we are addressing the issues to the best of our ability and what we think will be to the best of Nigerians at all. Because what Nigerians are interested in is not the method with which you use in achieving the result. What they are interested in is result, and that is our focus.